Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel D'Souza Cosmos. Today I am going to deliver a short information about or you can say that the short article of the COVID-19 which is currently occurring spreading all over the world, not only one country. So here is a glance uh, article of COVID-19 is a pandemic disease. Someone has truly said our stated that if health is gone, everything is gone. Health is wealth and nothing is a supreme. Then what our health stand at the present moment? A healthy person, whether rich or poor, lives more happy and peaceful life than any rich person having a diseased body. There are a number of different routes by which a person can become infected with an infectious agent or infectious disease are called by organism, usually microscopic in size, such as bacteria, virus, fungi, or parasites, directly or indirectly transfer from one person to another person very easily way. In the same ways, on the topic COVID-19 2021, nowadays a new respiratory disease called COVID-19 is spreading across the entire world. It is taking a number of people's life in short time. It is the second up wave of COVID-19. People are begging their lives by COVID-19. Uh, everywhere people are losing their lives. COVID-19 was first identified during December 2019 in Wuhan city or Wuhan lab of China. COVID is now causes of large number of deaths across the world. It is the one kind of bioware. Any certified treatment of COVID-19 has not discovered it, but some of country are supposed that they have discovered vaccine, but it is not fully worked. Cause of COVID-19, every single works are fully stopped. People are used to live in isolation in their own home. Every times government and health department are try to save their peoples or public from the pandemic communicable disease of COVID-19. In this way, I want to say that some common factor or some common symptom of the COVID-19. Let's see. First common symptom of COVID-19 is start to feel a little bit unwell, having a high fever. They may have a cough or sore throat, start sneezing, feeling fatigued, or you can say the tiredness. Last one is eye becomes dry, etc. These are the very common factor of COVID-19. So, my dear friend, be aware from the these kinds of common symptoms. If you have seen such type of common symptom in your body, or you have to consult your doctor. Okay, now how does COVID-19 spread? Actually, uh, actually, if we can say that this is the one of the communicable disease, so that it is easily transferred one from one person to the another person by droplets, or due to the result coughing or sneezing or shaking hands of COVID-19 infected person. In this way, uh, COVID-19 transfer very easily from one person to another person by shaking hand, sneezing. This is a very easy way to transfer or spread COVID-19 one person to the another person. In this way, I same ways how to prevent COVID-19. Okay, here is some point I have written here. As you already know that everyone know about COVID-19, how to prevent, but some here is I have written something new. That's why I hope you like it, and if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channels. Okay, let's have a glance. Prevent of COVID-19. First of all, I want to suggest to all that in this situation you must stay in your home. Now, have a glance. Practice social distancing. Practice good hygienic food. Don't touch or meet infected person without any safety. Use a regular Use a regular mask and sanitizer. Wash your hand regular by soap. Doing yoga exercise to increase your immunity power. If any kinds of symptom is seen related to COVID-19, you must go to check a doctor. Okay. At last, I want to say that as we already know that as there is no specific treatment for the disease caused by novel coronavirus, or you can say that COVID-19, people should understand basic information about coronavirus disease because of fake information myth that many circulate by the mind. We all must follow the lockdowns rules and regulation. All our wishes will uh, really work. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye, friend. Thank you for watching my video.